How to add or remove apps screen button on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on home screen. After click on home screen, scroll down. You will see, if you want to remove app screen button, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, app screen button is removed. If you want to add app screen button, so turn off this button. After turn on this button, app screen button is add. So you will add or remove app screen button from here. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.